Hi, I'm Lacey, and today I'm going to share a healthy recipe packed with protein. Follow along as we make a quick spinach, white bean, and sausage stew. To prepare for this recipe, run a 10-ounce package of fresh spinach leaves under cold running water. Slice 12 ounces of turkey or chicken sausage into 1/4 inch rounds. Dice 1 medium onion. Dice 4 medium Roma tomatoes, which equals about a cup. Now heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add sliced sausage to the pot and cook until lightly browned. Add diced onions and saute until softened, about 3 minutes. Pour in 2 cups of no salt added chicken broth. Using a wooden spoon, scrape any brown bits off the bottom of the pan. Stir in 3 garlic cloves, minced, or 1½ teaspoons of garlic powder, 2 cans, 4 to 15 ounces each, of reduced sodium cannellini beans. Great Northern or navy beans can be used as a substitute. And add our diced tomatoes. Bring your stew to a boil, then reduce heat to a simmer. Add ½ teaspoon of dried oregano, 1 teaspoon dried rosemary, and a 10-ounce package of fresh spinach leaves. Cook just until spinach leaves are wilted. Season with salt and pepper to taste and serve. And here's our finished product. This is a quick and easy stew your family's sure to love.
Eat, Move, Save.